If God doesn't change a circumstance,
Če Bog ne spremeni tvojih okoliščin,
He can use it.
jih lahko uporabi.
But let's get serious.
Ampak postanimo resni.
There is a disclaimer.
Obstaja,
You haven't heard this before. There is a exception to what I'm about to
obstajajo
say.
izjeme. Ja.
I'm saying this,
Jaz pravim tole,
that if you pray for a miracle,
da če moliš za čudež,
you can pray for a miracle.
seveda lahko moliš za čudež.
I have a pair of shoes in my closet in case God says yes.
Tudi sam imam par čevljev v omari, če bi Bog slučajno rekel da.
I do.
Res jih imam.
I have long sleeve shirts,
Imam srajce z dolgimi
long
rokavi,
trousers.
dolge hlače.
Someone already gave me a wristwatch.
Nekdo mi je že dal ročno uro.
It's pretty cool.
To je zares fino.
I was thinking the other day I should buy myself a guitar,
In zadnjič sem že razmišljal, da bi si kupil kitaro,
but I don't want to get carried away.
ampak ne bo me odneslo proč.
He knows my faith.
On pozna mojo vero.
But I'm saying when you pray for something and if it doesn't change, God has a reason.
Pravim tole, če moliš za nekaj, pa se stvari ne spremenijo, potem ima Bog nek razlog.
There are two exceptions.
Razen v dveh primerih.
When you pray for your family that they would come to faith in God and they don't come to faith in God,
Ko-
don't give up on that
Ko
prayer.
moliš za svojo družino, da bi prišli do vere, da bi spoznali Boga in se to ne zgodi, potem še naprej moli.
Keep praying.
Še naprej moli.
If you pray for you to be stopped getting abused at home
Če moliš za to, da bi prenehali za zlorabo v tvojem domu
and the circumstance doesn't change,
in se tvoje okoliščine ne spremenijo,
I'm not saying now it's okay.
ne pravim, se je vse v redu.
God's going to take care of it.
Bog bo poskrbel za to.
Sometimes He doesn't change everything.
Včasih ne spremeni vsega.
God can't forcefully change someone.
Bog ne more na silo spremeniti neke osebe.
Even when I do want to change,
Tudi če jaz želim spremembo,
I need to ask humbly, God, you change me.
moram ponižno prositi Boga, Bog spremeni mene.
So if you're getting abused,
Torej, če si zlorabljen,
tell someone.
to povej nekomu.
I don't know what counseling you have here.
Ne vem, kakšne vrste svetovalno službo imate
the-
tukaj,
The greatest thing I can ever tell you to do
ampak največja stvar, ki vam jo sploh lahko
is
povem,
take one day at a time.
je to, da greš dan za dnem, korak za korakom.
God understands your pain.
Bog razume tvojo bolečino
He'll pull you through
in te bo potegnil skozi.
and pray for people to come and help you.
In moli, da pridejo ljudje in ti pomagajo.
Don't give up on God.